Do you store your plastic grocery bags in your drawer or in plastic bags themselves and think to yourself, there's gotta be a better way to store these? I got just a tip for you.
So first, you'll want to flatten the plastic bag as much as possible. The reason you want to flatten as much as possible so that it's easier to fold, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So first thing you want to do is you want to fold it with 2 fingers measurement, and after you fold it once, you just continuously fold it until you get to the end of it. And remember, this doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a plastic bag. And after that, you want to grab the end with 2 fingers, and with the 2 fingers, you want to start rolling it. Keep rolling it until you get close to the end. And when you get close to the end, you want to fold those handles. And when you fold it, you want to put those handles in between the opening of the plastic bag. Once that is done, you just want to flatten it so it takes less space and it just looks nice. We'll do this again real quickly with another bag, but this time in this example, we'll use 3 fingers as the measurement. So here's the 3 fingers, and you keep folding it just like before. Keep folding it. It doesn't have to be perfect the way you fold it. And after that, use the 3 fingers at the bottom, and then continuously roll it. Roll it till you get almost to the end. And after that, again, you want to fold the handles up and then try to just slip it inside the opening of the bag. Same thing, flatten it out again. And here's an example really quickly doing it again so you can see it again. Now for this demonstration, we'll do it air. We'll just roll it in the air. So with 2 finger measurements, we're just going to continue to fold it until you get to the end. Doesn't have gotta be perfect. And then you roll it just like we did before. And there you have it. Now for this method, we're going to be doing the triangle method. Same thing we did before. Fold it. And then after this, what we want to do is we want to fold the edge like a triangle shape. So you can see that it's a triangle right now. And you want to continuously fold the triangle and just continuously fold the triangle until you get to the end. So that's what we're going to do. Just continue fold the triangle. And remember, it doesn't gotta be perfect, but try to make it as perfect as possible so that it's shaped nicely, at least. And once you get to the end, close to the end, and there's a little sliver of the piece of plastic on the handle, same thing. You want to put it through the opening of the bag. And once you do that, just put as much as you can. And afterwards, flatten it. And that's it. And there you have it. Triangle method.
If this was just the tip you're looking for, I'm glad I was able to help. Until next time, do your best. I'll see you later.